Today we are going to talk about anaerobic respiration. So anaerobic respiration, or also known as fermentation, is when cells are able to produce less efficient energy without the help of oxygen. So in comparison, aerobic respiration is able to produce 36 ATPs, while anaerobic respiration can only produce up to 2. So let's dive into the types of fermentation. There are actually only two: alcoholic and lactic acid fermentation. So alcoholic fermentation only occurs in plants and yeast whenever oxygen is not present. The cell takes glucose, technically pyruvic acid, and it is converted into ethanol, which is a type of alcohol, and then some carbon dioxide and energy. An example of alcoholic fermentation is simple as the production of beers and wines. So let's dive into lactic fermentation. Lactic fermentation, on the other hand, occurs in animals including us, humans. The cell takes glucose again, technically pyruvic acid, and it is converted into lactic acid plus energy. This occurs when the cell needs energy and there's not just enough oxygen.
So hi guys, I'm Kyle and I'm gonna talk about the anaerobic respiration, which is the alcoholic fermentation and the lactic acid fermentation, as you can see. So we're gonna go first to the alcoholic fermentation. So what's happening here is the first process is that glycolysis. The glycolysis converts the pyruvate into carbon dioxide and the ethanol. So what's happening here is the carboxylation, which is it will remove the carbon dioxide molecule and it will go through that and it will change into acetaldehyde. The acetaldehyde will now be reduced by the NADH, which will lead to NAD+, that will sustain and continuously do this process. So that's it. The product will be the ethanol. So second one is the lactic acid fermentation. So what's happening here is it's just the glycolysis again, but this time it will just go straight to the pyruvate, and the pyruvate will be just reduced by NADH and it will just go through the lactate. And but just for you to be informed, just take note of this, that at the lactic acid fermentation there will be no release of carbon dioxide. That's it.